Hello guys, today I show you how to check the spec of your laptop or desktop computer. It is very important, especially when you go to buy computer. And how do you check your spec of the software, the computer? How to check? So there are only few things to check. First, you need to check the drive. So go to here, Explorer, or you can type the key window key plus E, or you can type here, just type this PC and right click manage. Here this management, so totally is here, yeah, 931 gigabyte. This is the extra that I added. It's another. So this is the gigabyte that you need to check. This is the extra. And another is you have to check the spec, the RAM, the CPU, the graphic card. How to check? So you type here, just type run or UN, click on it, and just type here DX DIAG here. Okay. So here the system. So your CPU is here, processor here. AMD Radeon 7, yeah. This is the generation is 7. So the 60 CPUs 2.9 gigahertz. So this is, if this much, it very fast, the computer will be fast, and this is much as you have it very fast. And the RAM is 8 gigabyte, and yes, this is the model, the name of the computer, Asus TUS Gaming A15, yeah, blah 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 blah. This is the name. So another thing is display. Can be you can say graphic card here, display AMD Radeon graphic. It has another graphic here, display here. It has two graphic, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. So yeah, the total memory is 7761 megabyte. You can check sound, is name, headphone. Yeah, basically there are only few things to sum up. The only few things which is important. First is this management, storage, how many gigabyte that you have. Second is your system, what is your CPU, this is my CPU, and RAM, and graphic, what is your graphic, the second graphic. And this price for me is around $900, yeah. And how about you? You have to check these the steps. So comment below if you have questions, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.